napping script. To get started, get into a comfortable position. Let your mind be quiet as you focus your attention on relaxing your body and mind. Allow your muscles to get relaxed, each muscle from your head to your feet. Begin to imagine the feeling that comes with you being relaxed, as you may feel warm, cool, heavy, light, or even calm. Allow your muscles to relax. Where they are tensed, they will become relaxed and released. Breathe in slowly and breathe out slowly. Now, you feel relaxed in every part of your body. Any tension in any part of your body can leave your body as you breathe in and out. As you relax more, you begin to feel your eyes heavy and sleepy. You can then get in bed or rest on your sofa to take your nap. When you are awakening, you will feel much better and refreshed. Let's move to the use of visuals and imagination. Imagine a calm, quiet, and beautiful place. This place can be anywhere in the world. The place you've always desired to visit during your holiday. The amusement park, or maybe your fantasy. See the full picture of this place in your mind and begin to drift into this beautiful place. Take it slowly here. Still, have this picture in your mind. Feel you are beginning to relax and get into sleep deeper. You are feeling lighter and calmer. surrounded by your blankets, pillow, and even comforter. You get yourself tucked in to catch a short nap as you wanted. You were getting relaxed and refreshed. Everything seems to fade. The beautiful and peaceful place is fading off. And you cannot stop it.